A time for all things love. That's right, it's almost Valentine's Day. These little homemade heart-shaped lotion bars are the perfect gift for your Valentine. Filled with tiny rose petals and P&J Amber fragrance, he or she will surely love this handmade gift. Follow along in the video to create this DIY. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it. Make sure to place these little hearts in a jar and store in a cool place so they don't melt away. Then gift to a loved one or gift to yourself for a little self-love. And happy Valentine's Day!